Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining. Today, we are going to be going over Quest Infrastructure Services. We get involved in all aspects of IT, and foundationally, everything in IT runs across something, is hosted as something, and is powered by something, and is delivered by components. So infrastructure services is the physical layer that is helping to deliver technology, whether it's in a data center or on-premise for your customers. So as a Quest partner, you are fully authorized and have access to all of our different services. And one of those includes our infrastructure services. So how to engage, what to look for, what to listen to when you're talking to your customers. This is the physical world of helping organizations deliver technology. This can be things like cell phone repeaters, cell towers, paging systems, notification, every type of data and voice cabling you can imagine, full data center designs, splicing and fusion splicing, video surveillance, access control, everything that the physical world helps to deploy technology services in the digital landscape. Quest can help deploy, manage, and maintain those services with our national delivery capabilities. So this can be things like LED lighting and smart lighting and building management systems. A lot of partners are leveraging our teams to do audio visual enhancements, Teams rooms, Zoom rooms, communications, Crestron systems, things like that around video conferencing. Then in the retail and the consumer space, digital signage, notification systems, video surveillance, all of these components your clients and your customers are dealing with, you have a partner from an infrastructure services standpoint who can help you execute. So drilling down a little bit into audio visual, what does that mean? So our services are comprehensive in the audio visual space. We can deliver interactive displays. We can help with room scheduling. We can help with conference rooms and helping to set up virtual meeting and helping to set up virtual meetings and the ability for organizations to present locally and across the internet, right? So this includes wall projectors. This includes video matrix switches, high-end Crestron systems, boardrooms, classroom auditoriums, all the command and control simplified, as well as indoor and open outdoor spaces. So we have the engineers who can help with the design. We have the teams that can help with the deployment, configuration, and building this with your customers. And then like everything at Quest, we have the ability to monitor, maintain, and support this. Some of our main manufacturers are groups like Cisco and Crestron, Extron, NEC, Barco, AMX, many others. And we can also help with all the cabling and the initial design sound testing for these sites. A lot of clients are needing help with the ability to host meetings, to host huddle rooms, to host the ability to communicate with teams around the country and around the world. Quest can help with that from an audiovisual standpoint. Wireless design is another one that a lot of organizations are needing assistance with around the design, the site walks, the testing of the signal, and the ability to where the AP should be placed, as well as how long the cable runs are to power those APs around the environment. So we'll do the site surveys. We can execute on predictive assessments. A big part of this is actually planning and designing it, securing the hardware, delivering the hardware as a service potentially, the installation, right? Long range point-to-point requirements. If you need a microwave shot or a long-range wireless shot from one side of the campus to another, from one retail location to another. This can also include things like cell phone repeaters and helping your organizations get more from their cellular network in that location. So a lot around wireless design, a lot around the ability to help with boost signal, and we can go on site with site walks. We can put together the package and deliver it as a service. Very, very powerful. All of your customers are looking for help with wireless design and the ability to have a trusted partner come in with the implementation and again, ongoing support, ongoing monitoring, ongoing maintenance. We live in a world where there are security threats both in the digital landscape and in the physical world. Quest has been doing physical security for over 20 years, helping our customers from a video surveillance as well as an access control, intrusion detection, and prevention standpoint. We can do things like biometrics, video surveillance. We have the ability to coordinate with intercom and paging systems, knowing who's coming in and out of your site with facial recognition and license plate recognition capabilities. We conduct assessments from a perimeter security, access control, and understanding where the ingress and egress points are. We also have the ability to help coordinate with mass notification, analytics, and the ability to proactively look for signatures of people and things that are in places where they should not be. So physical security, again, touching the digital landscape, delivered through video surveillance, access control, intrusion detection. We can come help with the design. We can help with the installation. We can help with the ongoing support, and even all the way down to eyes on glass monitoring services. Wherever your clients are looking for help from a physical security space, you can engage the Quest infrastructure team, and we can help basically secure your clients' environments. A lot more to go into there, but that's at a high level. So a couple areas we can help. Everything from a physical infrastructure standpoint is going to need some cabling, is going to need some wiring. We roll trucks through all 50 states. We roll trucks internationally. We've deployed data centers internationally. We've deployed voice and data cables internationally in the United States. Wherever you need them, we can roll trucks to deploy that. So this includes the site plan, right? This includes the ability to help with a small or regional data center. If it's a hospital group, financial services, organization that needs edge compute, we can help design on-premise data centers and cable and network that up. We can help move clients from one data center to another. We can help audit their environments to let them know how they're going to be able to transition from this environment to the other, and then we can help cable and transition that. Also support their existing systems and support their existing cabling needs. Inside, outside cable plant, very flexible, roll trucks nationally. We can test and certify fiber. We can do boring and trenching, long range projects for structured network and voice cabling, both single and multi-mode fiber optic installation. Significant practice where we've deployed thousands of miles of fiber throughout the United States for multiple teams in multiple jurisdictions and organizations. So if you need help, or if your customer ever needs help with deploying or dropping in cabling or moving or transitioning or helping with a new site build, you just know that you have a Quest team from the physical infrastructure organization that can help you execute there. Telecom construction is one of those long-term projects where we've been involved in as well. This can include like aerial plant construction. We can do underground boring and trenching. We can do micro trenching. We understand the permitting process. We can help with the fiber and copper splicing and testing. We have the engineering CAD certified and engineering resources that can help with permitting and approval of plans. We know that process, and we can help the project management for taking it the project from the conception, the design, all the way through to delivery, and ultimately going live with that telecom service. So we also help from emergency maintenance and repair standpoint, and we have all of those team members on staff who can help be a reliable partner from a telecom communication standpoint and a telecom construction standpoint. These are large projects, but they can also be as simple as, hey, I just need a demarc extended from this point to this office building or to this office suite, and everything in between. Digital signage is something that in the retail space and other areas, we're seeing more and more organizations needing help communicating their messaging to consumers. These are remote controlled displays where the content is hosted online, and Quest can help deliver that to multiple displays across hundreds of locations at the same time with a consistent delivery. So we have a simplified content management strategy. We have an all-in-one package where we can deploy the screens, the installation, the software that supports the digital signage on a consistent monthly recurring charge for your customer. These are fantastic capabilities because it's a simplified method for your clients to communicate their message out to their customers at one to hundreds of sites. We've done this across, across retail, across restaurants, and this also integrates with on-site kiosks and order placement and transactions. Again, it's remote. They can manage hundreds of sites from one control plane, and they can leverage our firm and our Quest infrastructure team to deploy a consistent package for their team at multiple sites where they can manage it all remotely. Very, very powerful. A lot of your customers are dealing with digital signage, and digital signage layers into the other infrastructure services that you may or may not be engaging with your clients on around telecommunications, wireless connectivity, and basic connectivity to those locations. So huge, huge opportunity there as well. Like everything within Quest, we can deliver all of the services I just walked through as a service from a subscription standpoint, or if your clients already have their endpoints and their services already deployed, we can monitor, maintain, and support that 24/7 from our network operation, our security operations. So if they have a video surveillance platform already deployed, if they have access control already deployed, if they have digital signage already deployed, but they need someone to help monitor, maintain, and support those systems, if they have a wireless network that they've already selected a technology partner from a manufacturing standpoint, and they need help monitoring, supporting, and maintaining that investment, that's something that Quest can do from a 24/7 standpoint from our network operations center, regardless of the technology that's out there in the wild. We can drop in our monitoring platform, we can point the logged events and all the alerts to our team, and we can use that as our jump box and to help support, maintain, and manage their existing environment. So if you missed out on the first phase of an infrastructure project and they've already selected a certain package or a certain technology platform, but you still have that relationship and they need some help with day 2 support, like everything at Quest, if they need help with that, we would love to engage and tie them into our 24/7 service with our network operations and our security operations team to see how we can help them with remote monitoring, support, fault prevention and maintenance. So appreciate you guys hopping on. I know that was a quick overview of our infrastructure services, but our partners tell us every day they're looking for content, they're looking for reviews, they're looking for, hey, how do I position these things? Quest Infrastructure Service has a national and international capabilities. If your clients need help with any physical infrastructure, whether it's structured cabling, video surveillance, physical security, wireless, or any other services we mentioned today, reach out to your partner manager, reach out to the partners at questsys.com, or check out our website, jump in, ask us a question anytime. We'd love to work with you around physical infrastructure. And as always, very much appreciate your partnership. Have a great day.